I love my new monitor so much, but there is one problem. It is something with the screen. Now, it's really hard to capture, so I'm going to do my best capturing this. So right now we are on the screen, right? The problem is kind of like you will see some kind of lines, especially if you're in person. It's really hard to show on screen. So let's see. Okay, did you see that when I was canceling, there were lines flashing? It happened. It happened. Happened. It's really hard for me to capture the problem. The best footage I have is this one, where you see that when it doesn't have this problem, the grid area looks pretty smooth, but when the problem occurs, you see vertical stripes going down, like so. It's a lot more obvious when you are in person and seeing it. With the screen, the camera, it's just not showing the problem correctly. Even though it's very hard for me to demonstrate problem, I'm going to show you how to kind of resolve it. I've noticed that it is way better compared to the original problem when I do this. So what you want to do is to go to the Apple icon up here, then click on settings, system settings, sorry. And then you want to go down to displays. Now, down here, there is something called color profile. And what you want to do is to change to a different one. So this is the default color profile for this monitor. If I change it to color LCD, then I have noticed that I don't see that problem. To be honest, I just randomly went through several of the profiles to see which one reduced the problem, and it's color LCD for me. So your list might be different. You can try different ones out and see if there's one that removes that problem. Hope this helps. Bye.